Copy. And he does have one in custody in the squad, so just information for Tate. Copy. A good 10 between Cleveland, Creek and Vandalia. Good 10, middle lane, blocked. Hands are up. Car's still moving, but hands up.
I'm allowed to do it, but it's something I have not done. And instead of saying, no, that would be insane, she just...
What's that? Wow.
I'll give you his number. Te lo hago.
Okay.
If I think I have him in my...
Oh my gosh.
What happened?
Just an accident right in front of me. Okay,
Oh,
let me
my
hang up.
goodness.
Let me hang up. Okay,
all
bye.
right.
I was gonna say that looks weird. I can barely tell what that is.
It's golf course.
One day could you take me there? One day?
Oh my god. Parents, a lot of times, some lawmakers
Wake up!